Everyone, I am going to show you what I do in the morning, my kind of like bathroom morning routine. Just going to show you everything that I do before I head out and do my hair and makeup. So let's get started. Alright, so first thing I like to do is I like to put on my body lotion, and I use the Bath & Body Works Aromatherapy Lotion in Energy. Now, it says that it is orange ginger, but I don't really smell the ginger very much, but I really like the orange scent that it gives off. It's just very nice, and I guess it's pretty energizing and like just wake you up in the morning and get you going. But overall, it is a really good lotion, and I would recommend it to anybody. I think I've had it in either my yearly favorites, I think it was my monthly favorites, but it is a really good lotion from Bath & Body Works. And that was me washing my hands off and then doing my little, I hate lotion, happy dance, whatever that was, I don't know. Now I'm using my Caudalie cleansing water. Just putting this on a cotton pad, and then I like to kind of just wipe it all over my face, get all of the excess makeup, anything that was left over from last night, that I missed, and I don't know, just kind of cleanse my face, like literally, not just to remove makeup, but to remove any like sweat or dirt, any buildup from over the night. Not that, I sweat too much overnight, but just to kind of give me a nice fresh palette to work with. Next, I'm gonna be using my lip scrub, and I like to use the Santa's lip scrub from Lush. I've had a couple other of the Santa's, I've had a couple other of the lip scrubs from Lush, but this one is really nice. One thing I do want to point out, which I don't think I've pointed out before, this one is very red. The sugar is very red, and it will leave a bit of a tint on your lips. And here I'm just, wiping off the excess, whatever I missed with my tongue, because I definitely like to lick it off. Now I'm using my Oxy cleansing pads. These I wipe all over my face just to help fight acne. It's really the only purpose. I really loathe washing my face. I try to do that in the evening, and then I let myself use these in the morning, and this is kind of my way of washing my face. I guess between the Caudalie cleansing water and this, I feel like it does the job, but I've used not cleansing pads, but just the acne pads, acne wipes, for years. So now I'm going to go ahead and brush my teeth with my Crest Complete toothpaste. I always seem to use Crest, but I don't necessarily use this same one like over and over and over again. It's really just whatever's on sale. There's really no logic behind that one. And now I'm just wiping my face off. I kind of fast forwarded so you didn't have to bore you with brushing my teeth. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer on. I would say that this is my second bottle, I think, of this product. I don't think it's my third, I think it's my second. It does last quite a long time, but I do like this moisturizer a lot. It has some SPF in it, which is always good, and I feel like my makeup goes on very nicely over top of this moisturizer. Sometimes some moisturizers are just too heavy and makeup doesn't go over top of them very well, but this one seems to be moisturizing enough. I like that it gives me the SPF, and I can put my makeup on over top of it with no problems. So I just like to dot it all over my face and then blend it in and then make scary faces. Next, I am using my Benefit Puff Off. It's an under eye cream. It's pretty neat. It has like the little applicator is supposed to be an iron, puff off like you're ironing. It's a cute little thing they got going on there. I'm not sure how I feel about this eye cream. I don't have seriously bad under eye problems, so I'm not quite sure how I feel about it, because I don't feel like anything's going to do a whole lot of a difference, but I don't think I would tell anybody to go out and buy it. I think I'd tell you to go out and buy the green one. What's it, like Garnier Rollerball? I like that one. I'd probably like it more. that's all I have for you guys today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will list all of the products that I used in today's video down below. If you'd like, you can follow me on Instagram at HairByLizzieBug. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and until next time, bye!